Hi, my name's Simon Hill from Plant Proof.
And I'm Tanya from Conscious Feast.
And today we're here in the Coco Kitchen cooking our version of a Japanese Buddha bowl.
So today we've used a range of ingredients, all Japanese inspired. Here we have the tofu. With this, we've just marinated it in mirin, tamari, sesame oil, some fresh garlic and fresh ginger. And then we've let it sit for about 20 minutes and put it in the pan and let it turn a little bit crispy. Next we've got our greens here, which is sauteed kale, spinach, fresh chili, and that's it there. Here we've got brown rice, red cabbage, edamame, and also a Japanese mix here, which is nori flakes, dulse flakes, sesame seeds, and fresh chili.
And not only do these ingredients pack a whole lot of flavour, but they are super healthy for us. So just starting from the start, the tofu is a complete source of amino acids, so made from soybeans, one of the great protein sources from plants. The nori flakes and dulse flakes, the topping that we're using, is a great rich source of iodine. The brown rice is an unrefined grain, so what that means is the germ and the bran are maintained, which holds a lot of the nutrition and the fibre, which is super important. Again, edamame, which is from soy, so more really high quality protein. And then the greens are really rich in iron, calcium. And
we've got one more ingredient here which I didn't mention before, which is our pumpkin, and we've mixed through miso paste, salt and pepper.
And pumpkin is super rich in vitamin A, which is amazing for the immune system and actually for your vision. Let's put this bad boy together.
Yeah, here we've laid the coconut bowl with brown rice. Next, I think we'll go the tofu, put it to one side, red cabbage, greens in.
Load those in, don't be timid with those. Miso pumpkin.
So let's make some room for that.
Beautiful edamame on top there. And then the sesame seed with the wakame and dulse flakes.
So that's our bowl, Japanese Buddha bowl.
Super easy and super healthy.
Delish.